Okay, what's good, guys? Welcome to my first video actually on this music channel. So today we're gonna be I'm gonna be showing you guys how to sound like David. And yeah, I'm gonna be showing. Okay, why is this tug of war on my? Okay, so I'm gonna be showing you guys how to sound like David. So make sure to like and subscribe, and yeah, let me just try to find the project. Why is it not here? Why is it not here, bro? Why is it not here? I don't like when this happens. Why is the project not here? Why is it not here? Like, okay, guys, now I found it. Yeah, okay, it should be that. Alright, so we got the song and all this stuff right now in this project. So, yeah, I'm gonna be showing you guys without preset, only my vocals, ad-libs, background noise, background vocals, and yeah. I don't tell why I got so many tracks. We're not gonna talk about it. On God, we're not gonna talk about it. Yeah.
Cam, do I have to repeat this? You messed this up.
I don't wanna stop playing these games, man.
And
I don't wanna stop playing with babies.
goddamn.
Alright, so that's it. Now I'm gonna be doing it with the preset. So yeah, I put on the David preset. I forgot to tell you guys, I have two presets I'm gonna be showing you guys. So yeah,
Cam, do I have to repeat this? You messed this up.
I don't wanna stop playing these games, man.
And
I don't wanna stop playing with babies.
goddamn.
Sorry. Yeah, that's it. I'm gonna be doing it with the beat. Yeah, this is the other piece I'm gonna be showing you guys now. I'm not gonna show the beat.
To repeat this? You messed this up.
I don't wanna stop playing these games. So you guys hear that?
And
I don't wanna stop playing with babies.
goddamn.
And yeah, now I'm gonna be showing you. Now I feel like the first one, David, is better for me because it's louder. And yeah, now I'm gonna be showing it. And now I'm gonna be showing you guys with all the tracks, with the beat and everything. And yeah.
Cam, do I have to repeat this? You messed this up.
I don't wanna stop playing these games, man. I don't wanna stop playing with babies.
Goddamn.
And yeah, now I'm gonna be showing you guys the auto tune I use. I use 55, but I don't know what's on 53. Let me just change that. I'm not even joking with y'all. I use 55 for R&B. Yeah. The David preset. Just look. EQ, de-esser, filter echo, studio reverb, spring reverb, and noise gate. Yeah. The next preset, TechLab, TechLab EQ3M, multi-filter, noise gate, delay. It's probably studio reverb. Oh my god, studio reverb, de-esser. Make sure to copy this. Now time for the ad-libs, my boy. Time for the ad-libs. Noise gate. Exceptional. Graphic EQ, yeah. I'd use this in every single of my preset. Graphic EQ is just the bomb. And studio reverb too. FBK, de-esser, de-delay, a BL driver. Yeah, here's BL driver for my ad-lib. And yeah, that's the only thing I got. Because you guys should copy this. Stop putting your lazy and just copy this shit. Just copy this. Oh God, just copy this. So, because I'm not gonna put it in the link in the description, bro. I'm too lazy too. But just trust me, just copy. It's too good. And yeah, make sure to like and subscribe and comment. And yeah, this is my first video. Peace.